it! Why did I land that? Okay, I still have a couple more shots. Ow!
That's number 2.
Why am I getting close to them all of a sudden? I'm mad. I want to snap this one. Well, okay, I have 2 more tries. And if I don't get it,
He's gonna snap his board if he doesn't get this.
Yeah.
okay, I have
One more.
one more. Damn it! I kind of don't want to snap it now.
You can put your board up against that post.
But I gotta be a man of my word.
You still have a girl.
Hmm?
You still have another girl board.
I snapped that one. That's why I'm riding this one.
Yeah.
I know. I'm
You
kidding.
don't want to get
I'm
weird,
kidding. Damn it! Why did I land it? Why am I landing them? Now I have another 3 tries.
Why, just 'cause you landed it?
Unless I get, if I get 3 in a row, then I'm not gonna go anymore.
No.
You want to change that before, don't you?
Yeah.
Stop!
One more try, Stevie boy.
Remember that kid's laugh yesterday?
Yeah, that was funny. Remember when he fell?
That shit was funny, man. I said shit.
Hurry up. Snap your board.
Snap it. Put it up against that post.
Damn it, where do I snap it?
Against
Just
this.
put it against the pole.
This is Steven smashing his board. Wow.
That was very awesome.
Oh man, I just shoved it in the ground. I gotta snap it some other way.
Chuck it.
Bye bye board.
Oh! It worked!
Cool.
Okay, no, I'm gonna
I was gonna ride it.
kickflip with it. Okay.
Try to ollie.
Ollie, Jeremy?
Yeah. You did it.
Oh, snap.
Dude, that's great.
Dude, it feels like it's really funny.
Oh, I wasn't even
Right?
recording.
Jeremy to shove it?
Yeah.
Okay, that was hard. That's hard just to shove it. Okay, shove it.
So now snap.
One more try.
Just throw it. Throw it up. That thing's done.
I have to put music at the end for this.
Tell me when to stop.
You were supposed to stop a long time ago.